Round 25, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 3 and 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 3 and 1 decrease. Repeat pattern 3 times. Second time, third time, then 1 single crochet, next 16. Again 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 3. Repeat pattern 3 times. Second time, third time, round 26 to 29, 1 single crochet each stitch, continue 4 rounds. Round 13, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 2 and 1 decrease. Repeat pattern 3 times. Second time, 1 single crochet, next 2, 1 decrease. Third time, 1 single crochet, next 2, 1 decrease. Then 1 single crochet, next 16. Again 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 2. Repeat pattern 3 times. Second time, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 2. Third time, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, next 2. Slip stitch, first stitch. Then round 31 to 34, 1 single crochet each stitch, continue 4 rounds. Round 31 to 34, 1 single crochet each stitch, continue 4 rounds. Round 35, chain 1, 1 single crochet, next 5. Then 1 single crochet, next 2 and 1 decrease. Repeat pattern 6 times. 1 single crochet, next 2 and 1 decrease. Repeat pattern 6 times. Again 1 single crochet, next 5. Round 36, 1 single crochet each stitch. Round 37, chain 1, 1 single crochet next to and 1 decrease. Repeat the pattern. Round 39. Round 39, chain 1, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat the pattern. Round 14, chain 1, 1 decrease, again 1 decrease. Repeat the pattern. Decrease, decrease, then round 41, chain 1, 4 single crochet, touch both sides. 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch both sides like this. Again chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet next to, again 2 single crochet, last stitch. Then chain 5, turn, wrap the yarn 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook, 2 loops, like this, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook, same stitch, again 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook, same stitch, 2 loops, 2 loops, 2 loops, 2 loops, 2 loops. Repeat 4 times, 1, 2, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, then chain 5, slip stitch, same stitch, then slip stitch, next stitch, chain 5, repeat pattern, wrap the yarn 4 times, do it same stitch 4 times, then chain 5, slip stitch, same stitch, again slip stitch, next stitch, repeat the pattern,